Do you know science? Let's put your knowledge to the test with the ultimate science quiz. 100 science questions. You have 8 seconds per question. You can pause if you need more time. What is the process by which a seed becomes a plant? Germination. Which vitamin is produced by the human body when exposed to sunlight? Vitamin D. Who famously used a prism to demonstrate that white light is made up of different colors? Isaac Newton. Which of these slightly acidic? Cow's milk. How many pairs of chromosomes do humans have? 23. What is the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. What does penicillin come from? Mold. What is another name for varicella? Chickenpox. How long is a nanometer? One billionth of a meter? What is the SI unit of force? Newton. What is the most abundant chemical element in the universe? Hydrogen. Which scientist proposed the theory of special relativity? Albert Einstein. How long does it take the sun's light to reach Earth? Eight minutes. An animal with a backbone is called? Vertebrate. What is the most abundant element in the Earth's crust? Oxygen. What is the densest planet in our solar system? Earth. Which gas is dissolved in sodas? Carbon dioxide. What does the letter A stand for in DNA? Acid. Bases which are soluble in water are called? Alkalis. At what temperature are Celsius and Fahrenheit equal? 40 degrees Celsius. Something that is situated away from the center of the body can be described as distal. What is the primary cause of most tsunamis? Earthquakes. Which human sense is the olfactory nerve related to? Smell. A material where electrical resistance vanishes and magnetic fields are expelled is called? Superconductor. What happens to the speed of light when it travels through water? It slows down. What is the branch of physics that deals with the behavior of objects at very low temperatures? Cryogenics. What are the building blocks of proteins? Amino acids. In physics, what property of an object determines its inertia? Mass. What term is used for the study of fungi? Mycology. What is the primary function of white blood cells? Fighting infection. Which hormone is known as the happy hormone? Dopamine. Which planet has the shortest day in the solar system? Jupiter. What phenomenon explains why the sky is blue? Rayleigh scattering. A wasting away or decrease in size of a body, part, or tissue is known as atrophy. Which term literally means naked sea? Gymnosperm. Ascorbic acid is known as which vitamin? C. What is the primary difference between a comet and an asteroid? Composition. Which cells are part of your immune system and help fight infection? T cells. What is the primary gas produced by photosynthesis? Oxygen. Hydroponics is a method of growing plants without Soil. A substance that increases the rate of a chemical reaction without being consumed is catalyst. What is the basic unit of heredity in living organisms? Gene. What is an isotope? A variant of an element. The amount of energy required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius is calorie. Which organ in the human body produces bile? Liver. The boundary marking the limits of a black hole is called event horizon. What do stem cells do in the body? Create and replace cells. What are compounds that contain carbon called? Organic. Which of these elements is a liquid at room temperature? Mercury. Which layer of the Earth's atmosphere is closest to the surface? Troposphere. What is the only element without neutrons in its nucleus? Hydrogen. What is the term for the energy an object has due to its motion? Kinetic energy. Who proved that each planet's orbit about the Sun is an ellipse? Kepler. What is the hottest part of the Sun? Core. Approximately what percent of an iceberg shows above water? %. Which are responsible for carrying information throughout the human body? Neurons. What phenomenon explains the bending of light as it passes through different mediums? Refraction. The protein fibrin is a major component of blood clots. What is the name of the point in a planet's orbit when it's closest to the Sun? Perihelion. What does the prefix bio mean? Life. What current do batteries produce? DC. On average, approximately what % of your body is made of water? %. Which of the following structures best categorizes glass? Amorphous solid. Which subatomic particle is negatively charged? Electron. What are the hair-like structures that line the respiratory tract called? Cilia. Whose law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction? Isaac Newton. The steady speed achieved by an object in free fall is known as? Terminal velocity. Which type of diabetes is characterized by the body's inability to produce insulin? Type 1. The ability of the brain to make new pathways and connections is called? Neuroplasticity. What is the primary gas found in the atmosphere of Mars? Carbon dioxide. What do you get if you alloy copper and tin? Bronze. What is the characteristic color of most obsidian? Black. What is the most common color of sapphire? Blue. What explains why hot air rises and cold air sinks? Convection. What name is given to the longest nerve in the human body? Sciatic. What is the most malleable of all metals? Gold. What is the primary waste product of anaerobic respiration in muscles? Lactic acid. Which of these requires a medium to travel through? Sound waves. Which element, often used in batteries, has the chemical symbol Pb? Lead. What is the process of a cell dividing into two identical daughter cells called? Mitosis. What does the H stand for in pH? Hydrogen. What is chlorophyll vital for in plants? Photosynthesis. What is the unit of measure for electrical resistance? Ohm. What is the term for the branch of biology that studies the classification and naming of organisms? Taxonomy. What is the primary function of carbohydrates in the human body? Provide energy. In chemistry, what is a substance made up of only one type of atom called? Element. How many atoms are in a water molecule? Three. What causes the Earth to have season? Tilted axis. What is the term for the amount of matter in an object? Mass. The Richter scale is used to measure the strength of what natural event? Earthquakes. What is the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria. Which mineral is also known as fool's gold? Pyrite. In chemistry, what is the term for a liquid's resistance to flow? Viscosity. What can most insects see that humans can't? Ultraviolet light. Which of the following metals does not react violently with water at room temperature? Magnesium. What is the chemical name for table salt? Sodium chloride. What membrane covers the lungs and lines the chest cavity? Chloride. What usually happens to matter when it's cooled? It contracts. What is measured on the Mohs scale? Mineral hardness. What property of a wave is measured in hertz? Frequency. Drop your score below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Did you enjoy the quiz? Please like and share with your friends and family.